The following message has been transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. An unusual situation has happened in the San Francisco downtown area. A girl named Riley Anderson has somehow been able to snuck out of her home and get on the bus heading in the direction of Minneapolis, and then after that she changed her mind and she got off right before the bus got on the freeway. She's currently roaming the city. Riley Anderson is 11 years old and has blonde hair. If you see her, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more updates if they become available.